Okay, so today I created an automation in which I'm generating a topic for my YouTube video, and then after that I'm generating a YouTube script, and afterwards I'm generating a YouTube tag like the description of the video, the tags, and the titles which we need to add in the YouTube. And I have already generated those automations, and then I just integrated them into a single piece so that they work in a specific manner in which I needed them. And how it's working is that it is actually triggered daily at 7 a.m. in PKT, and it fetches the data out of a Google Sheet of our competitors, like their YouTube channels data. I have pasted that data into this Google Sheet, and then afterwards it is fetching data from my own Google Sheet in which I have the links and the titles of videos which I am making and generating script on, and afterwards it is combining that data into a single item and aggregating that, and then the agent is generating the topic and is appending that topic into sheet 1, and afterwards it is getting those rows which are if a topic is got generated by the first or part of the automation, it will be added to sheet 1 and its status will be pending. And whenever we will be getting rows, we will be getting them in such a way that we need to check the value should be pending, and if it is pending then we will be fetching that row. And if we received any topic using the if node, if that's true, if we are fetching something out of it, we'll be feeding it to the agent. And here what the agent does is that there is some sort of limit to even Gemini, to OpenAI, to Claude, and all other LLMs, that we cannot generate text of more than 10,000 words, and not even 10,000 words. So what I did is that I created different items. Like here I have created 18 items from intro to 16 chapters in between, which is like our own format for YouTube videos, and then an outro. And I'm feeding that whole 18 items to another agent where it is generating text for those all items one by one, so that it can generate that text easily and I can get my script in one go. And after that I'm aggregating those items using the aggregate node here, and afterwards I'm creating a document and I'm updating that document with the data I have generated by using this agent, and even updating the row whose status was pending here in its uh, starting phase. In the second part starting phase, I'm updating that to status to be done, and afterwards the data is being uh, and the sheet moves in such a way that it goes to UDPAC, third part of our automation, in which it gets the rows uh, in which our competitor's data is present, and it is combining that whole data into a single item, and even is fetching the document which we have generated and is merging them so that it can become a single item. And after that it is being fed into the AI agent, where it is generating description, tags, and titles for the YouTube video. And afterwards I'm extracting that whole data using a code node, and appending that data into Google Sheets and even the document which was being created here in this node. So this is the automation. Thanks for watching.